Today we are going to learn about mastering Seaborn pair plots for data analysis. We'll explore how to create, customize, and interpret pair plots to uncover valuable insights from your datasets. Welcome to this session on mastering Seaborn pair plots for data analysis. Pair plots are powerful tools that allow you to visualize relationships between multiple variables in a dataset. They serve as a cornerstone in exploratory data analysis, helping you understand the distributions and interactions within your data. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to create, customize, and interpret pair plots to uncover meaningful patterns and insights.
Before diving into pair plots, we need to set up our environment. First, ensure you have the Seaborn library installed. You can do this by running pip install Seaborn in your command line. Next, import Seaborn along with other essential libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Once your environment is ready, load your dataset into a Pandas data frame. It's crucial to inspect your data and identify the key variables you want to visualize. Look for variables that could potentially reveal interesting patterns or correlations. Additionally, ensure your dataset is clean and properly formatted for visualization. Handling missing values and outliers at this stage will save you headaches later on. With your data prepared, you're ready to start visualizing with pair plots. Now that your data is ready, let's create a basic pair plot. Using Seaborn's pair plot function, you can quickly generate a grid of scatter plots for each variable pair in your dataset. By default, the diagonal of this grid shows histograms of each variable, giving you a sense of their distribution. This basic pair plot is a great starting point for identifying any obvious patterns or outliers within your data. The default settings are designed to provide a quick overview without any customization. As you glance over the scatter plots, look for linear relationships, clusters, or any anomalies. These insights will guide your deeper analysis as you move forward with more advanced customization.
While the default pair plot provides a good start, customizing it with colors can significantly enhance its interpretability. The hue parameter in pair plot allows you to add a categorical dimension to your data by coloring the points according to a specific category. This can be incredibly useful for highlighting differences between groups or classes in your dataset. Seaborn offers a variety of color palettes to choose from, such as deep, muted, or bright, each suited for different types of data. By applying an appropriate color palette, you can make your pair plots more aesthetically pleasing and easier to interpret. For instance, if you're visualizing a dataset with several distinct categories, a clear color distinction can help you quickly identify patterns or outliers specific to each category.
Pair plots are particularly useful for identifying correlations and trends within your data. When analyzing the scatter plots, look for patterns that indicate a linear relationship between variables. A positive correlation is indicated by an upward trend, while a negative correlation is shown by a downward trend. Clusters of points may suggest distinct groupings or categories within your data. The histograms on the diagonal provide insights into the distribution of each variable. They can reveal skewness, modality, or the presence of outliers. By examining both the scatter plots and histograms, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the relationships and trends in your dataset. These insights are crucial for making informed decisions and guiding further analysis.
Working with large datasets can pose challenges when creating pair plots. The sheer volume of data points can lead to cluttered and unreadable plots. To address this issue, you can employ sampling techniques to reduce the dataset size. By randomly selecting a subset of your data, you can maintain plot clarity while still gaining valuable insights. Seaborn also provides options to limit the number of data points displayed, ensuring that your plots remain informative and easy to interpret. It's important to balance performance with the need to represent your data accurately. By effectively handling large datasets, you can create pair plots that provide meaningful insights without sacrificing performance.
Interpreting the results of your pair plots is a critical step in data analysis. The insights you gain from these plots can inform data-driven decisions and guide further exploration. Look for patterns, correlations, and trends that align with your analytical goals. For example, a strong positive correlation between two variables might suggest a cause and effect relationship that's worth exploring further. Additionally, use your pair plots to test hypotheses and validate assumptions about your data. By correlating visual findings with statistical analysis, you can draw more accurate conclusions and make informed decisions based on your data. Effective interpretation of pair plots can lead to actionable insights that drive your analysis forward. Analyzing pair plots can present several challenges, but with the right strategies, you can overcome them. One common issue is overplotting, where too many data points overlap, making the plot difficult to interpret. To address this, consider using transparency or adjusting the size of the markers in your scatter plots. Skewed data and outliers can also distort your visualizations. Apply data transformations or outlier detection techniques to mitigate their impact. Additionally, ensure your plots are legible by choosing appropriate axis labels and font sizes. Seaborn provides various customization options to enhance readability. Finally, acknowledge the limitations of pair plots as a visualization tool. While they offer valuable insights, they should be used in conjunction with other analytical methods for a comprehensive understanding of your data.
In conclusion, mastering Seaborn Pair Plots is an essential skill for any data analyst. These plots provide a powerful way to visualize relationships, distributions, and trends across multiple variables. By customizing your pair plots and interpreting their results accurately, you can uncover valuable insights that drive data-driven decisions. Remember to address common challenges like overplotting and skewed data to ensure clarity and accuracy in your visualizations. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to take your data analysis to the next level. Thank you for joining us in this session, and happy analyzing.